Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make group on Instagram. So this is a very straightforward tutorial, follow along. So I'm going to open my Instagram. I'm going to tap this button here. So this is actually the message icon. And then from here, I'm going to tap this button here as well in order to create a new message. Now here you can start adding people on the GC. So I'm just going to tap, for example, this one. And then if I want to search someone, I can just tap here and basically just type that particular person's name. So say for example, this is the name that I want to add. Now before you start creating the group, I want you to name this group. Just tap over here. I'm going to call this group the group chat. Alright, there you go. And then I'm going to click this here in order to create the group chat. Alright, click OK. And there you go. So now you have finally created the group chat. If you want to add more members, you can tap this thing here and basically search for that particular person's Instagram. And if you want to see who the members are, you tap this one here. Now if you want to change the theme, you can click this one here. And say for example, I'm going to choose Loki Season 2. And there you go. So yes, basically that is how you're going to create your own group chat on Instagram.